Hi friends, it's Mrs. Stande. I'm the speech therapist at Clifford Marshall Elementary School. I just wanted to say I miss you all. I hope you're all doing well and enjoying some time with family. So today we're going to do a following directions activity. All you need is a piece of paper and something to draw with, and of course your listening ears. Before we start, I just want to review some of the vocabulary and concepts that we have learned in the past. So here are some of our favorite shapes. Okay, circle, square, heart, triangle, rectangle, star. And we know that those shapes can come in all different sizes, right? So we talk about small shapes and medium shapes and large shapes. Okay. Then we also talk about we also use words to show where those shapes can be on a page. So we use words like above, below, and in the middle. Okay. So I want you to remember these words and concepts as we do our following directions activity. Okay. So you're going to want to get a piece of paper and something to write with. Okay, so first you want to make sure that you're holding your paper this way, okay, so that you have enough room to do the activity. So I'm going to read the directions slowly. I'm only going to read them one time. If you need extra time than I'm actually giving you, just press pause in your video until you finish that step, and then you can press play and continue going. Okay, so direction number 1 says, draw a medium-sized circle in the middle of your paper. Direction number 2, draw a medium-sized square below the circle, but make sure it's touching the bottom of the circle. Direction number 3, draw a medium-sized heart in the middle of the square. Direction number 4, draw 2 small rectangles, one on each side of the square. They should go the wide way, not the tall way. Direction number 5, draw a medium-sized triangle above the circle, but make sure it's touching the top of the circle. Direction number 6, draw 3 small stars anywhere inside the triangle. Direction number 7, draw a small triangle in the middle of the circle. Direction number 8, draw a line which curves up below that small triangle. Direction number 9, draw 2 small circles above that small triangle, one slightly to the right and one slightly to the left. So that was the last direction. So when you're done, your picture should look something like this. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, but it should look something like this. If there's a part that was a little tricky for you, or one of the directions that was a little tricky for you, go back and try it again and see if you can fix that part so that it looks more like this. Okay, now you can also have a family member try the same activity, play this video for them, and see how their picture comes out. Another activity you could do is make up your own directions for someone using some of these concepts. Shapes, size of shapes, location words that we talk about, above, below, between, next to. I know a lot of my speech friends work on all those words all the time. So see if you can make up some directions and have someone in your family or someone that's in your house, follow the directions that you give them. So I hope you guys had fun. I hope you enjoyed that activity. And I hope to see you guys soon. Take care.